Welcome to IT Lab. Today we will see how to draw analog clock step by step in Illustrator. Let's start. Create a new file in Illustrator. Make center point of artboard from artboard options. Select ellipse tools from toolbar. Draw a circle using ellipse tools on the center of the artboard. Copy the circle and paste the circle on previous one. Minimize the second circle. Use the zoom tools to zoom in the circle. Use the line segment tools to draw a small line. Copy the line and paste it on the previous line. Select the line and click on Rotate Tools. You will see a mark. Hold Alt key and click on inside of the inner circle. A pop-up window will be open. Click on Copy and check the preview option. Give -30° angle. Press on OK button. Select the new copied line. Hold the Ctrl and D button until it go around the inner circle. Use line segment tools to draw minute hand. Again, use line segment tools to draw hour hand. Using selection tools, readjust minute hand and hour hand. Hope you like the video. If you like it, please give a like, share, and also please do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.